day 4 of vlog gaming series. आज मेरा day 4 है and I'm gonna train chest today, and before that I'm going to have my breakfast and some eggs and oats, and शायद मैं ट्रेनिंग करने दोपहर को जाऊँ. अगर मैं दोपहर को जाऊँगा तो I'll have another meal जो कि होगा fish and rice or maybe chicken and rice. I'll see what fits. So let's see. Use free range eggs. मतलब साफ़ सुथरे हों, अच्छे ब्रांड के हों, अच्छी जगह बने हों, नॉट लाइक कोई भी लोकल एग्स. आपको नहीं पता वो कैसे उनको फीड देते हैं हैंड्स को, एंड यू नेवर नो. एंड दीज ट्रेज कम्स विद द गारंटी, and at least they're clean, neat and clean eggs. Much better than the regular ones. See, I broke this one. Fuck. So मैं boiled eggs खा रहा हूँ. वैसे normally मैं poached या fried खाता हूँ, but मैंने बंद करा हुआ है वो ऑयल यूज़ करना. फैट्स कम करी हुई हैं मैंने, so that's why. So they are 2 to 4 to 6 7 to 9 eggs. एक और चीज़ बोलूँगा मैं, when they're trying to lose weight, people, जब कोई भी weight lose करना चाहता है या body fat percentage करना चाहता है, they go for more cardio. They do a lot of cardio. उससे क्या होता है, you lose your muscles somewhere. इतना ज़्यादा कार्डियो करोगे, of course you will lose your muscles. Do different things, man. Sprints करें हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार, or maybe some other form of cardio, burpees, or maybe any HIIT cardio. And then rather than doing a lot of cardio, switch to calorie deficit. Calories को कट करिए धीरे धीरे. If you're trying to lose weight, I know this is a gaming series, but I shouldn't talk like this in this one. But for those who are watching this video, and maybe जिनका competition जो compete करना चाह रहे हैं, अगर आप compete करना चाह रहे हैं तो धीरे धीरे कैलोरीज को कट करिए, and कार्डियो का ज़्यादा फोकस मत करें. You will lose your muscles. हफ्ते में 2 बार बहुत है, इससे ज़्यादा कार्डियो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको, ठीक है. So I'll have smoothie with my oats. Always measure my food before I eat, so तो पता लग गया वैसे normally कि कितना है, but still I want to take a risk. You know, 33 40 grams of oats. ओट्स के साथ I'll put in 1 banana, again 30 grams of carbs. और ये है chia seeds, and I'll put on some, good morning beta, I'll put on some whey protein to this to have flavor. Right, the eggs boil हो रहे हैं and side by side. पहले मैं eggs खाऊंगा, then I'll have smoothie maybe 10 minutes later, because I wanna have my protein first in the morning, not the carbs first. I don't know, I just wanna have protein in the morning first. शुरू से just, you know, my habit. और जिस दिन मैं अगर कहीं बाहर हूँ तो if I'm out of my home, घर से बाहर हूँ, तो I'll have my whey protein first thing in the morning, and then I'll have my breakfast. क्योंकि बाहर आपको पता है availability का issue. So my smoothie is ready and my eggs are getting boiled, and I'll have my breakfast now. And I have got my chicken now. Here we go. Yeah, I've got it. Chicken breast. 1 टाइम की पड़ी है मेरे पास. So ये है आधा केला और आधा एप्पल. का बचा हुआ, because sometimes I eat half, not the full. Depends on my carbs intake. It for the breakfast and see you after lunch, man. Yeah, I'm outside the gym. Gym जा रहा हूँ मैं, and I'll train my chest. And मुझे स्किनी लोगों के लिए, जो स्किनी फैट है उनके लिए एड्रेस करना था कि people who are skinny, जिनके फैट भी है और वो स्किनी भी हैं, you know there are a lot of people in India, you know, जो मसल पुट ऑन करने में जिनको दिक्कत होती है और उनके फैट भी होती है. सो मैन, पहले तो आप लोगों को अपनी ईटिंग हैबिट्स चेंज करनी होगी. यू हैव टू स्टॉप ईटिंग क्रैप फूड, जो कि मोस्टली स्किनी पीपल आई नो दे डू लॉट ऑफ शुगरी स्टफ एंड बैड कार्ब्स एंड स्नैक्स, जंक फूड दे ईट अराउंड. एंड उनके क्या होता है कि दे स्टोर अ बॉडी फैट उनके टमी एरिया में, एंड मे बी यहाँ पे चेस्ट में दे गेट फैट. So man, you have to stick to basic foods, stick to complex carbohydrates, oats, rice, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and switch to lean protein sources, egg whites, chicken breast, chickpeas, tofu, and there are a lot of other sources too. So please, जो skinny fat हैं उनके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये, ठीक है. स्किनी फैट लोगों को बस यही है कि उनको थोड़ा हैवी लिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. they wanna lift heavy as too, ठीक है. और अपने ईटिंग हैबिट्स चेंज करें एंड यू विल सी अ डिफरेंस. मैंने चेंज कर लिया है, चेंज्ड. आई लव दिस हुडी. बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज इज ड्रॉपिंग क्योंकि आई एम कटिंग ऑफ कार्ब्स वेरी स्लोली. एकदम से नहीं कट करे मैंने, सो makes a difference. I'll start from flat bench press, then incline dumbbell press, and so on. I'll shoot videos for you guys. Let's see how we do it.
ऐश वार्म अप कर रहा है चेस्ट का.
अगर हम यहाँ आते हैं वी हैव लेस रेंज ऑफ मोशन. अगर हम ऐसे क्रॉस करेंगे वी हैव मोर रेंज ऑफ मोशन. सो आप इसको केबल क्रॉस ओवर मशीन के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. आई लव बैंड्स. To use bands around my back for extra resistance. Check it out.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work, no it's not free. I'm at a top speed, I think you lost me. Do not cross me, I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been up for 3 years and then you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere.
Incline Smith machine or incline dumbbell press कर. I'll do 4 sets of both of these and watch my position doing it.
I could take a boy's name and smear, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel fear, or make you disappear. Cause I am right here and not going nowhere. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. And when I rap, yeah, man, I snap fast. Like your girl's back, hit a clap, clap, break it in, smack. Shawty like a quick snack, like it when I'm all up in there. I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fat. These haters all get whacked when I spit max. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with a pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you we're gone MIA. You gon' be my bitch, be my pawn when I play. You gon' be my bitch, take my palm to the face. You know I need biz when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain. It's me, yo, when I came to stay. Cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. When you're feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough, you gotta pick yourself up. Cause life gets hard, it might leave scars, could tear you apart if you let it be smart. Yeah, you wanna be just like the stars, take me to Mars, high up and far, guess that's a start. All I know is that I love making art, straight to my heart, keep up my guard and always work hard. Yeah, it's hard to have faith when you had a taste of this awful place. And if that's the case, you're sitting there sick and tired of the rat race, the fast pace has you thinking it's a bad place. You just wanna blast off into outer space. I get it, trust me, I've been there, just wait. It gets better if you take control of your fate. So stop waiting and get going your own way. These broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. I'm sick and tired of these broken dreams, these broken teens, sitting down on broken screens. It sucks, cause I really know what hopeless means, but focus seems to stem from the darkest themes. Don't park your dream, get a jump start and dream of everything you thought you ever wanted to be. Then mark your team, together you could be something. Be smart and see that you is all you really need, yeah. Sometimes you gon' feel like you don't know, sometimes you gon' feel like it's going slow, sometimes you gon' wish that it came fast, sometimes you gon' dwell back on the past, yeah. I'm here to tell you that it won't last. Your mind's stronger than you think, get past all the things that keep you feeling bad, and pick yourself up and carve your own path. These broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah.
Finisher, मैं लगाऊंगा flies, flat dumbbell flies. Check it out.
Mattress, I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic, all natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education, so I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it.
I did 4 sets of flies. Finished with my workout now. I'll have my whey protein and some glucose, plain glucose, and some creatine. क्योंकि अभी मैंने creatine नहीं छोड़ी है. I wanna hold more water. So I'm done with my chest workout for today. See you guys soon.
Hey everyone, it's time for me for dinner. Okay, I wanna say you something, guys. It's kind of personal, and it's between me and you, who is watching my YouTube video. भाई अगर आपको ज़िंदगी में कुछ चाहिए ना, you have to work for it. You have to sacrifice a lot of things. There are a lot of things your family don't want you to do, but still you do it because that's your passion. And if it's your passion, कुछ भी उसके रास्ते में आए, you don't care. You just have to keep on going. So I'm gonna say this to you guys in the face that if you want something, go get it. मुझे एक अच्छी फिजिक अचीव करनी है, but उसके लिए patience, consistency, and hard work, clean food बहुत ज़रूरी है. You cannot expect results by eating crap food. So make sure you do that, and if you do that, you do see results. So that's what I'm saying, कि कुछ भी है life में, it's not about the bodybuilding only. I'm talking about the life also. If you want something in life, go get it. कुछ भी आए रास्ते में, just don't care about it. Okay, work for it. Whatever it is, whatever you like, whatever your passions are, just work for it. It's time for me to sleep. 10:30 बज गए हैं. Meal. I'll have egg whites and क्योंकि मेरे अभी carbs पड़े हैं खाने वाले, so macros में पूरे नहीं हैं, so I'm having an apple, 1 tablespoon peanut butter and some egg whites and done my dinner. 8:30 बजे कर लिया था मैंने chicken and rice. I couldn't eat fish today, so this is it for today vlog. को जल्दी मिलूँगा मैं अगले vlog के साथ, and thank you so much for watching my videos, man, and please do subscribe to my channel. I'm doing this all for you. If you like the content, please do give a like and do subscribe to my channel, and please उस bell को ज़रूर दबाएं because you'll get the notification जब मैं नई वीडियो put on करूँगा. So this is for you guys. This is only for you, nothing for me. And thank you so much for watching. Much love, and do take care of your mom, man. She loves you.